Introducing Pyrolysis Gas Alarm. When you buy a pyrolysis gas alarm, it includes main sensor board, power supply, and a loud buzzer for the operator to hear clearly from a distance. On putting the power on, the gas sensor goes on a warm-up mode for 2 minutes and then stabilizes with the green light coming on, which indicates that the sensor is now ready to detect any leakage of gas in your pyrolysis plant. The sensor detects methane gas in your pyro gas, which constitutes around 35% of the gas volume. Thus this sensor forms a complete safety for your plant personnel. Install one in your plant today.